What's up? About to go in the dirt compound, placing the control arm from my boo-boo. What are you doing, Nick? What are you doing?
We're gonna pop the Z arm off, man, because that day we went riding, we did mess it up.
What size is this bolt, Nick?
That was an 18. 18? Yes.
So 18.
Yep, we just put the impact with an 18 mil on there.
15 on the ball joint.
Zip, zip. And now
this one up front's gonna fight us because you guys are buying punching it out. You're gonna have to get like a punch and knock it out of there.
Yeah, yeah. You can. So that's the tabs. That is your frame, and it's bent. So.
You did a good one on it.
Yeah. Yeah. There you go. It's popping right out. I'm watching it. It's breaking, dude. Oh!
Boom. So you see, got that popped right out. Come on now.
Here. All right. Watch the fluke out.
Watch the fluke out.
Can you touch the head of this with that? Yeah, it's kind of tight. What are you gonna do right here down top?
The reason I ordered most of this stuff was from Rockin' UTVs because Amazon was saying that it would ship for like 5 days.
That's the faith of, I'm gonna get this fixed.
Oh.
Boom.
This is for bending. And not telling me.
Oh yeah, I think it moved pretty good.
So we're having trouble getting that bolt out and the other bolt. The other bolt's definitely going to be a problem because of the bent tabs that I'm not getting a good view of, but yeah.
Oh, I got it.
Damn, dude.
That washer went up by the...
I got it ready, bud. You might be able to put like a pipe wrench or something, or the crescent wrench on there and try to bend it.
Yeah. I think we should get this thing out.
Right, this ain't looking good.
Knock that.
Can you push on the back at all, I guess?
There you go.
Oh,
I didn't get it on video.
You don't have a full skid plate? What a piece of shit.
Yeah, I know.
Got that on.
Yeah, I got it off. And come on, focus, focus. It's not gonna focus. That's good, right? Normal?
Got your Find My iPhone.
That's machine.
I never use mine now.
So now the Venture is bending these back. And I'm not gonna be able to put my new control arm on now because I didn't get an extra bolt.
What you got?
I have.
And then that pipe on the end of it?
There you go.
A little bit. Alright. That's it. A lot straighter, isn't it?
That looks a lot fucking straighter. Now it looks like we just gotta get this one to come back a little bit here.
Pull on it.
That's how you bend these tabs back. The redneck way. Damn, that one's the most fucked up for sure. Hey, whoa. Watch it through the camera. I couldn't see it really bending back. I look up and it looks way better.
Yeah, it does look way better. I think you could suck it.
The power of the crescent wrench. Well, that went better than I thought,
You gotta press
at
that
least.
ball joint out. Snap players, and you gotta change that place.
Let's see this thing, Nick. Let's see the bend.
The bend?
Yeah.
Where's the new one? Where's the new one?
Yeah, oh, where's the new one? That's an aftermarket part there, man.
That is great. Oh yeah, she smashed her in good, man. Look at that.
Oh yeah. Is that the actual like nylon fitting itself?
Look at the bushings and everything in there.
Yeah.
Destroyed.
A good thing I have bushings on the way too.
But this tells you how much these hold up. We tore it up at Little Manistee after we smashed the hell out of it.
That's probably why it's so nasty looking. And that bolt's so wore out.
Yeah, bolt shot.
Pretty sure he could have just done heart surgery.
Huh?
Could have just done heart surgery.
Maybe.
Could have just had the proper tool. No, the starter takes that away.
So, the control arm that they ordered is the wrong side. Can't even finish it out tonight. What's up? Go just see if that control arm looks normal. If you go put it on the right side.
Is it the left-handed controller?
That's the left-sided control arm.
Yeah.
This video is gonna have to continue
I honestly
later
didn't
on.
think it would start first kick after.
Hopefully with more things ready to go.
See, Nate, she's good.
Say bye, Nick. Say bye, Nick.
She was the one.
Later.
She was the one kicker.
So right now we're pressing out the little certs for the control arm.
We know you're supposed to put this in a vice.
We need a good spot for this giant blue one.
Okay. It was just, you gotta back it up now. It was just those bent ears. You can't tell if it's like not lined up there.
Yeah, I think I need it back up.
Yeah, she agrees to that.
Yeah, it's going pretty good. That one's really messed up. Like, I don't think you're beating that on. Beat it off.
Beat it off.
Dude,
Beat it off.
Dude, that's destroyed. There's that. I don't think you can reuse that.
I don't know if you guys can see that inside there, but that is mangled. That's hamburger inside there.
Nate can get it Thursday morning.
All right, we're gonna take a break because we need to consult on some stuff. All right, wish us luck.
Due to complications, this video will continue another day because I don't have all the parts I need. I need different bushings. I need to replace this bolt also. Yeah, not looking good. Another day. All right, the video didn't end.
Like this.
We just pressed the old one out. I want to get one successful thing on film. Sure. Yeah. It's like a long neck Jurassic Park. You sneeze in your face. Huh?
Snap ring in? You got those
yeah.
pliers?
I got something worse.
Oh boy. New tools, new headaches.
It's not all the way snapped in. Oh, there it goes.
Did you hear the click?
I heard a click.
Click clack.
Click clack.
Black.
Patty whack.
What?
Got a razor up in my nutsack. Brap, brap.
I already did that. So.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. Too late, dude.
You guys both be.
And mine sounded better.
Looks
too,
like that
so.
thing's hyperextended, like you.
Like I bent it too much?
Yeah, when we were taking it apart.
Yeah. Oh yeah, when we were being idiots?
Yeah, see how it's not like one.
Yep, you're right. Dirt. Michigan dirt. Razor dirt. Ooh, what? Boo 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 do new parts.
One of these.
Yeah, yeah, done. I like it. You're like David Blaine. He was recording the entire time.
It wasn't recording that entire time.
It's because everything was too good to record.
Yep, that's how it is usually. Pressing in the bearings right now.
Oh, bushings.
Bushings, yeah, pressing in the bushings. God damn it, Billy. Pressing in the bushings.
Not much more, probably.
Wow, that was really easy. So, yep, Redneck Engineering right here. I'm not getting it on camera till now.
Yep. Yeah, so you gotta have my magic fingers.
Yep. Just put those in with your fingers. Put them in with your fingers.
So this is what was poking out.
I'm not doing a good job. There we go. Put them in with your fingers.
That was what was poking out the one side, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was. So part of the crap that broke was this little C-clip thing that goes in the inside groove that I'm going to try doing one-handed. Bam! Come on, focus. You biatch.
Yeah, touch it.
Right there. Easy peasy. Living the high life.
Yeah, coming out with some wine.
Bop, ba beep. Mac, say hi to the people. Say hi to your fans. Yes, hello.
Dirt dog.
Awesome, dude. Awesome, awesome, awesome. That one's a little buggered up from the crash or whatever.
Should we file it?
Would probably be smart. Yeah, I forgot to put the shaft in. It's a shaft.
It's a shaft?
I don't know. I don't know what else to call it.
You mean the shaft?
Alright, now let's not say it like that.
You bid the wrong ones. These ones are supposed to go in here.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because this is replaces that. Yeah, for sure. You did it all backwards.
Well, fuck, man. Good thing you checked.
They had it all fucked up.
Alright, erase all that shit that happened before.
They did. See how these two go in here?
Yeah.
And then this one goes like this. And then these go in here. Make it look easy, bud.
Yup. Look how quick it was. We did this the first time.
Here, so I'll line
Put
this
yours
up.
right in.
Alright, working her in.
You tap the end here with this mallet.
Tap it in.
Mine will go in.
Go ahead.
If you tap this with a mallet.
Just pop right in, bud?
Yeah.
Badass. Crescent Ranch, doing work.
Body work. Tap it up. There you go.
Because that O-ring moves.
That's the problem. Bent ears.
It's gonna cinch it back with me. Here, let's go this way.
A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Jam in here. Doing some snow donuts and burnouts as a victory for getting the control arm done.
Go make some snow angels. Let's throw snowballs at him. Let's make some snowballs and throw them at him.
I think he should put it forward. I think he's gonna.
so loud. That's pretty loud. Trying to clean the lens still.
With this flag. I think you got me in the face. I'm bleeding.
Yeah, dude. Dude, that was. Oh, hey! What an idiot! What an idiot!
Don't need a break before we go. Yeah. I just said, I hope you don't pull in there with those on. I gotta run this stuff.
Done that quite a bit.
Sad thing is, no wobbly pops were consumed. It's all that
fucking time, dude.
Ooh, yeah. You see that beautiful glow back in there? That, my friend, is the turbo. Oh, God.
You know those ice chunks you launched at everybody? You smoked the lens.
Did I?
Rocks at us.
My bad. Oh, you guys. Control arm is done. Cyclone donut approved. Unfortunately, Garrett didn't get it on film. Yeah. But it happened. Got a new Karma grip. Filming. Drone. Yep. Nick's got a shirt. Boom. So everybody knows he's Nick.
Harmon.
Alright. That's the end of this. Control arm is done. We rode it.
Couple day extravaganza, but.
Yep. Where we headed? Where we headed? Where we headed, Garrett?
Damn.
Durham.
Glamis?
No.
Oh wait, that's a year.
No.
It's like
Durham. We're going to Durham.
from now.
Durham,
Off-road
Georgia.
park.
It's beautiful. It's warm. That's what's important.
Honestly,
and this thing's gonna be there.
Yeah, exactly. This thing's gonna be
This
here.
thing's gonna be there.
And
Georgia Dirt's about to get hit with a little Michigan dirt.
Exactly.
Our peaches are sweeter. Our dirt is cleaner.
Oh
I'm not
shit.
worried about the rain though. I hope that passes.
Whatever. Who cares?
Supposed to rain
We'll ride right through that shit.
Chief
With
Dirt's
Michigan
got
dirt.
a badass rain poncho now, so
You got
don't gotta worry about rain.
You got 4 tires.
Yeah. We better get two more.
Me?
Yep. Alright, we're signing out. Michigan Dirt. Like, subscribe, do all those good things. Hit the bell if you like this shit. Because it's fucking awesome. Garrett, and your nasty fucking smoke blowing in my face in the camera.
I was trying to blow up the camera like...
Yeah, that worked. That sucked.
That was cool 10 years
Thanks for ruining the ending, dude.
You made it.